all is well. Today we are going to compare my two Dionysus bag. One is evil twin and one is authentic. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items, I DIY, I compare bags and review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe and just hit that bell. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started comparing these two beautiful bags. Now, this one is authentic and this is evil twin. And we will get to comparing them in details and in depth right about now. Things I will be using for this comparison is this measuring tape in inches. We will weigh these bags to do a comparison. The authentic one is here and the evil twin one is here. So let's weigh her. The authentic one, empty, is 2 pounds and 10.2 ounces. The evil twin one, wow, 3 pounds and 8.1 ounces. That's a big difference. It's like a pound difference. Just looking at exterior though, okay, let's just look at the exterior before I start measuring. The actual canvas looks really good. The evil twin one's canvas looks pretty much spot on, like even when you're looking at it in person. And these are two different models or designs. You can see. Also look at the, I know they're two different models, but look at the pocket. Back pocket it is slightly higher on the authentic one, and it looks smaller on the evil twin. And they're supposed to be the same size. These are size medium Dionysus bags, the largest size. The evil twin one, the chain is so much longer than the authentic one. Sorry for my light, I got two lights, but authentic one is a lot shorter than the evil twin. Let's measure these two first. She is 11 inches in length. Let's see this. She also is 11 inches in length. Say about almost 8.5 inches in height. It's about the same for this one. It's about almost 8.5 inches. You could see straight away, this is the authentic one, this is the evil twin. They're accordion style, but 4 inches depth, about 3 inches. So the evil twin one is about an inch off, almost 3.5 inches. Evil twins, about the same, about 3.5 inches. I could tell that this is a more matte silver and this one is more shiny, the evil twin. So again, the authentic one is the dragon one, and the evil twin one is this one. So, and the authentic one is on the top, the evil twin one is on the bottom. You can tell that the evil twin one is too shiny. Prints, very, very, very similar. Dots on its head. The authentic one's on the top. The evil twin one's on the. This one is thinner than this one, and this one is a lot heavier. The evil twin is a lot heavier than the authentic one. The chains. The evil twin, and this is the authentic. The authentic one, which is this, is a bit shinier. See that? The chain drop on this doubled up. The top just where it drops. So she drops about 8 inches from the middle of the bag. And the middle down, it's about 10 inches. Whoops, my bad. It's about 10.5 inches. Double chained is about, let's see, 9 inches. Yeah, it's about 11 inches. It's significantly longer. It's a different design, of course, but let's go measure the authentic one. She's about 6 inches long, height. The back pocket 6 inches, about 10 inches. And the evil twin 6 inches as well. And is 10 inches. The pocket swivel looks different, right? And these little threads look different. The authentic one's thread is longer than the Evil Twin. Are a bit different. Let's measure the flaps inside. About 4 inches, let's just say. A little bit over 4, but the same height, about 4 inches. Little square divots look good. This is authentic, the pink, and then the butterfly one is. With the Marmonts, I noticed this is always different. Let's see, Evil Twin. Okay, so they are different. So you could see that the mushroom, I call these little mushrooms, they do look different. And the top color is different as well. See the glazing and the threading here. It's different. Here's how they fit. Authentic one and Evil Twin. You see it is a lot lower, the Evil Twin. And if I wear crossbody, well, I can't wear a crossbody. I think the Evil Twin one you can, but that's how it looks. Authentic and Evil Twin is a lot lower. Evil Twin you could crossbody because it's a lot longer. Can't crossbody with the authentic one. You definitely can with Evil Twin. So, with medium-sized Dionysus bags, you cannot crossbody. If you see someone wearing crossbody like this, it is not authentic. So I only purchase really top quality, mirror quality Evil Twins. I know some of you ask me the pricing on the Evil Twins. Now, if you want like top quality, like I don't want anything lower than top quality, then it's gonna cost at least 100 plus. This one is 100 plus. There's no way this is gonna be under $100. And that's how it is, unless you wanna buy the authentic one, which is like thousands, in the thousands. So you choose your poison. However, if you're okay with like lower quality replicas, then I don't know about that. You can ask the sellers I go to and ask if they have any lower quality or more affordable type Evil Twin bags. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed this comparison. I love both of them. However, I love this one more. This one is still cute. I feel like it has that cowboy type of feel. They are both different designs. Of course, they make an authentic one of these. I don't have that one, but these are how they look. Hey everybody, have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.